Hello students, welcome back to the session. Today we are going to continue workbook. Yesterday we have done 2-3 questions from workbook of lesson number 6. Today we are going to continue the workbook. See, question number 4. State whether the following statements are true or false. See the question, first one. 29 is a multiple of 4. How can you test whether 29 is a multiple of 4? If 29 is coming in the table of 4, then 29 is a multiple of 4. 29 is coming in the table of 4. 4 7s are 28, 4 9s are 36. So 29 is not coming in the table of 4. Therefore, 29 is not a multiple. So the given statement is false. Next question. 48 is a multiple of 8. If you see the table of 8, 48 is coming or not? Yes, 8 6 are 48. We know that 8 6 are 48. That means 48 is coming in the table of 8. Therefore, 48 is a multiple of 8. That is true. Next question. 86 is a multiple of 9. That is, we have to check whether 86 is coming in the table of 9. Coming in the table of 9, 9 9s are 81. Then 9 10s are 90. So 9 9s are 81. That means what? 86 is not coming in the table of 9. That means what? 86 is not a multiple of 9. That means the given statement is false. Now, next question. 35 is a multiple of 6. Is it right? In the table of 6, 35 is coming. 6 6 are 36, but 35 is not coming in the table of 6. Therefore, we can say 35 is not a multiple of 6. That means what? The given statement is false. Next question. 98 is a multiple of 12. That means we have to check whether 98 is coming in the table of 12. Which is the table of 12 which is coming very near to 98? 12 8s are 96. Which is coming very near to 90. But 98 is not coming in the table of 12. 12 8s are 96 coming. It is not 98. Therefore, 98 is not a multiple of 12. What it means? That is, the given statement is false. Now, question number 5. Answer the following question. Some questions are given. Very good questions are there. We have to find the answer of that. See the first question. All the multiples of 4 that are greater than 16 but less than 40. How will you get multiples of 4? From the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So 4, 8, 12, 16, etc. But here one condition is there. What is the condition? It should be greater than 16 and it should be less than 40. So between 16 and 40, which are the multiples of 4? That only we have to write. So we know that 4 4s are 16. But we should not take 16 because it should be greater than 16. So which one we will start? See, I have written here table. Along with the table I have written so that you can understand it easily. So 4 5s are 20. Before that, which one is coming? 4 4s are 16. But 16 we cannot take because the multiple should be greater than 16. So 4 5s are 20 we can take. Then which is the next multiple? 4 6 are 24 we can take. 4 7s are 28. Then 4 8s are 32. Also less than 40 coming. 4 9s are 36 also. Next one is what? 4 10s are 40. But you see the question, another condition is the multiple should be less than 40. That means what? We cannot take 40. So 4 9s are 36. Up to this only we can take. So see the final answer. multiples of 4 greater than 16 and less than 40. I have put dot, after dot which are the numbers coming, that is the answer. Which are the answer we got? 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. You always see the movement of the arrow. So the answer is 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. These are the multiples of 4 which are greater than 16 and less than 40. I think you all might have understood the explanation. Okay, then we will move to next question. See, all the even multiples of 5. Should be very careful in reading the question because it is having particular meaning. Accordingly, we have to find the multiples. All the even multiples of 5 between numbers 1 to 30. Between 1 and 30 means we will not take 1 and we will not take 30. So we have to find the even multiples of 5. So first I am going to write the multiples of 5 between 1 and 30. And after that, from that, we will select even multiples. So see, first I am writing multiples of 5. What are multiples of 5? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30. We cannot take because between saying then we will not take 1 and 30. So we have written multiples of 5. What is the answer we got? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And what is the condition given in the question? What is the condition? Even multiples of 5. So here odd numbers are also there, even numbers are also there. We have to select only the even multiples. So which are the even multiple? First one 5 is odd, we cannot take. Second one 10 is even, 15 is odd, that we cannot take. Then 20 is even, we can take. 25 is odd, we cannot take. So see the final answer. Even multiples of 5 between 1 and 30. So which are the even numbers? Which are they? 10 and 20 only. Only two numbers are there, 10 and 20. The first step I have written, that is not the answer. It is one step before the answer. Final answer is 10 and 20 are the even multiples of 5 between 1 and 30. Okay, understood all of you? Now we'll move to next question. All the multiples of 12 that are less than 60. All the multiples of 12, that means we have to find it from the table of 12 and which should be less than 60. So see the answer. So I am starting from the table of 12. 12 ones are 12. Then what is the next multiple? 12 twos are 24. Next multiple 12 threes are 36. Next one 12 fours are 48. Then what will be the next one? 12 fives are 60. But what is the condition given in the question? The multiple should be less than 60. It should be less than 60. So can you take 12 fives are 60? Yes or no? No will be the answer. Understood? Because the multiple should be less than 60. So 12 fives are 60 we cannot take. So see the final answer. What is the final answer? Multiples of 12 less than 60. Which are they? We have got it from the table. See, 12 is less than 60, 24 is less than 60, 36 is less than 60, 48 is also less than 60. So the answer is multiples of 12 less than 60 are, which are they? 12, 24, 36 and 48. Okay, got it all of you? Now we'll move to next question. See, all the multiples of 15 that are less than 50. Multiples of 15 means we have to start from the table of 15. And what is the condition? That multiple should be less than 50. So we'll start. See, first multiple is 15 ones are 50. Next multiple 15 twos are 30. Next multiple 15 threes are 45. And what is the next multiple? 15 fours are 60. Can you take it? No. Why? Because the condition is that the multiple should be less than 50. So next multiple 15 fours are 60 is greater than 50, which we cannot take. Follow it or not? Now, see the final answer. Multiples of 15 less than 50 are, which are they? That is 15, this 30 and 40. See the movement of arrow. 15, 30, 45. So I have written here multiples of 15 less than 50 are, which are they? 15, 30, 45. Understood all of you? Now, question number 6. Very interesting question. See. Numbers from 1 to 100 is given below in the table. See in the table 1 to 100 we given. Don't consider this 12 that you circle, that you don't consider. Here 1 to 100 is given in the table. Now one activity like that we have to do. See what is the first question. Make a red colored circle on all the multiples of 12. That is, which are the multiples of 12? That is, which are numbers coming in table of 6. So, which are the multiples of 6? We have to make red color. So, which are the multiples of 6? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. So, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, like that. So, I am going to do, you understood the question properly? See, number 1 to 100 given. In this, which are the multiples of 6? We have to make a red color circle. So, I am starting now. See, which is the first one? 6 ones are 6. So, see. Then 6 twos are 12. Then 6 threes are 18. Next multiple will be 24. Then next 30. Next multiple of 6 will be 36. Then next will be, see movement of arrow, 42. Next will be 48. Next will be, next multiple of 6 will be 54. Then next multiple will be 60. Then next multiple of 6 will be 66. Next multiple of 6 will be 72. Next multiple will be 78. Next multiple will be 80, 84. And the next multiple will be 90. And the next multiple, last multiple will be 96. Now you understood all of you. So which are the multiples of 6 means which are the numbers coming in the table of 6, that is 6 ones are 6, 6 like that. We have to say the table and we have to round the multiple of 6 with the red color pen. So I have done it now. Now, okay, you understood all of you. Now we will move to question number 2. Make a green colored circle on all the multiples of 12. Which are the multiples of 12? 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, like that. So you see, what is the first multiple of 12? 12. Then next will be 12 twos are 24. Next will be 12 threes are 36. Next 12 fours are 48. Next 12 fives are 60. Next 12 six are 72. Now 12 sevens are 84. 12 sevens are 8. 12 eights are 96. Over. So you see, you can see the green colored mark on all the multiples of 12. It is very clear from the diagram. You understood it. Now see the third condition, third question. Make yellow colored circle on all the multiples of 18. Which are the multiples of 18? 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90. So you see, what is the first multiple of 18? 18 ones are 18. And I have done yellow colored circle. Then 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, and 18 fives are 90. So these are the 5 multiples of 18 we have done with the yellow colored mark. Now, so A, B, C, 3 questions we have solved it in the diagram only. Now question number 4 I have written here. Write all the common multiples of 6, 12 and 18. Common multiples. See, you see in the diagram. See, you can see here 12 red circle is also there, green circle is also there. That means what? It is the common multiple of 6 and 12. Like that 24, 60, 48, 84, 2. Red also there, green also there. It shows that they are the common multiples of 6 and 12. Then like that on some we can see all the three are there, on some we can see two color circles are there. So from this, see, take 36, green also there, red also there, yellow also there. If you see 18, yellow and red. Red is for 6 and yellow is for 18. So from that very easily you can understand. So what is the question? Write all the common multiples of 6, 12 and 18. So for solving you easily I have written steps, not the final answer, I have written steps. See the first step, first I have written all the multiples of 6, that is all the numbers which you have done with red color circles are multiples of 6. So which are the multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, 90, 96. Now I am writing all the multiples of 12. So multiples of 12 are the red colored marks. See, 12, 24, then 36, see, 12 coming. So multiples of 12, which are they? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. Now multiples of 18. Which are the multiples of 18? We have done with the yellow color circle. 18, 36, 54, 72, 90. Now see the question. All the common multiples of 6, 12 and 80. That is from all the three, which are the common multiples? Which are the common multiples of 6, 12 and 18? See, that means all the three circles are there for which numbers? You see 36, red, green, yellow. And 72 also, red circle, green circle, yellow circle. So the answer is 36 and 72 are the common numbers coming in all the three numbers multiples. So answer is 36 and 72. Now next question, which is the least among the common multiples you got in party? Which is the least one? We have common multiple 36 and 72. Least means the smallest one. Which is the smallest one? The smallest one is 36. So what is the answer? Least common multiple of 6, 12 and 18 equal to 36. It is also called LCM. L from least, C from common, M from multiple. So it is also called LCM. So least common multiple of 6, 12 and 18 is 36. So with this we will conclude today's session. These are the sums you can do in the workbook itself. There is space given. You can do in the workbook itself. All have to do the work daily, complete it so that it will not be a burden for you. Now we will continue tomorrow. Thank you.